Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ahi and today you are getting ready with me to go to work. I'm going to show you my almost 15 minutes makeup look, so stay tuned. And here we are. I'm going to start with a bit of foundation. Now I'll go with some concealer. Now I'll set everything with a bit of powder. Now a bit of bronzer. Now for the eyes, I am going to be using this cute little Naked palette. It's actually the Naked Basics, and with a fluffy brush I am going to be using the WOS actually on my lid and just a little bit above. And now again with a fluffy brush I will be using the Naked 2 just on my crease. Now moving on to the brows. For bronzer, I will be using this one from the Body Shop. Now moving on to the blush. Now just a bit of highlighter, but nothing crazy. I'm going to be using this one from Lancome. It's in a rose shape. And I'll move now to the lashes, and I'm going to be using this mascara from Too Faced. I've bought it a couple of days ago, so it's going to be the first try now. And it says to use first this mascara. Then you want to move to the second product. It says Lash Extension Fibers. And then I'm going in again with a mascara. Actually makes the lashes look fuller and bigger. Can't complain about that. But I'm working today like 12 hours, so I'm really curious to see how it works. If it's going to smudge or anything like that. And now the last step will be the lips, and I will be using this lip gloss from Lancome. Yeah, and I think that's it. We have 11 minutes. Not bad at all. So yeah, this is my natural makeup for going to work in apparently under 15 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done already, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.